narrow lane with with a ledge, and we put water there, as if that pond in front of Taj Mahal, and we put 3 lotuses with diyas, and they were looking wonderful. Then people started questioning me, is it illumination? I said, where is the rule? There is no rule, such rule that it has to be hidden, the light has to be concealed. There is no such rule, it's a new idea. But it was good, but I think we came second, we didn't win it that time.
See, even now that concept is very much prevalent, and it's a unique thing that hostels in the Pine Loop they do during illuminations.
What?
They put the paper and then they put diyas behind that,
Okay.
and then to create more effect they either put water or do some other kind of stuff. But that's even prevalent. That's
still prevalent. Good to know that it started from your time.
Yeah.
And
the institute canteen was the third session there, and the one guy asked me, is it illumination? So I said, why not? I mean, what's wrong with that? It's hidden, that's all. It's still diya only, there's no electric equipment. So that was it.
So what was the lingo in your time? Like right now we have many substitute words like
Kata, is kata still there?
Yes.
Kata is still there.
Kata, bhat session, and
Macau?
no, Macau was not there. Another thing is Facha was not there. Because this I heard in one of the YouTube programs in 2007. Someone was saying Facha, and then all the guys said, hey, please explain that term. People in the audience, they said first year Bacha. But all these Bhat and Kata and no chance was another very common term which we don't use nowadays.
Yeah, yes.
No chance.
No chance.
Things have changed nowadays.
No chance is
No chance.
Macau has kind of replaced many.
No chance was very
giving
commonly
up
used.
terms.
No chance. Winning no chance. No chance was very commonly used.
So now the most common ones are load and peace.
Oh, peace means peace.
Peace is
Peace was there at our time also. How was the paper? Peace.
Opposite load.
Load was never there. Load was.
Like we have opposite for peace as well.
Okay.
So what was the most popular hangout place in the campus at that time? For food or let's say for art sessions?
Chedis was one of them. Chedis, I don't know whether Chedis is still there or not.
It's still there.
It is still there, but that time Chedis was I think more elementary sort of thing. Now
It's still elementary, but
still elementary.
during your time it was never closed except for 1, 2, 3 occasions over the span of years.
Yeah.
But right now it closes every day at 11 o'clock in the night and opens at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Chedis, and then the institute canteen was next to the library.
Institute canteen.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
was next to the library. Immediately after the library, we were surprised that the canteen has shifted to the OAT. That was a very nice place, and we used to sit there between classes with cups of tea. And yesterday, my friend, we went for a round of photographs, and he said, "Let's go to the canteen." He was heading towards the library. I said, "The canteen is that side now." He said, "Let's take a photograph of the canteen." Those seats are there, the cement
Yes,
seats.
sir.
That
Yes,
was
sir.
the institute canteen, and the access was directly.
Okay.
Now that's part of the library, and this was changed I think in the early 90s. Because I left in 90 and I kept coming till 93. In that period it changed. Institute canteen, Chedis, the hall canteens, and Pan near that place, the junction between the Scholars Avenue and the Pan Road.
The first corner.
Yeah, first corner, yeah. And there were 2 or 3 chai shops there. Gopal's near the hospital.
Bhaski.
Yeah.
We call it Bhaski nowadays.
We call it Bhaski nowadays.
Yeah. And the other is the lake. It
The
is
lake
right
is
up.
no
You have
more
not seen the lake, na?
We have seen the lake, but it's no more accessible.
No,
Like,
you have not seen the lake as we have seen it.
It's
Yeah.
not so beautiful now.
Yeah. The
It's
lake has
full of-
dried up.
it's
I was
very
in
good.
2007. It had totally dried up. That lake was another popular place. Then Senda was there, which you call Super Duper now, I think.
Soup dupe,
That was
yes.
Senda at that time.
Okay.
So we used to have some sweet, I don't know what it's called, and special chai. That was another place.
Right now it's famous for macaroni, I suppose. The only
Macaroni,
place-
macaroni.
Okay.
The only place where we get macaroni in entire KG.
Okay. Actually, all these shops, is it veggies near Gyan Ghosh?
Yes.
Veggies.
Yes, it's still there.
Veggies, then in Pan there is one. In Pan,
Yes,
there's
sir.
one. Just outside Tech Market, between Hospi and Tech Market, there's one. Then it must have gone. Serenade used to be called. And then Sahara.
Sahara is there.
These came up in 86. There was a big mess strike.
Yes,
So
sir.
the massive mess strike, the workers went on a strike. And then we didn't know what to do. But that was a very indefinite strike, a very tough strike by the workers. And even the exams took place like that. Then director, he installed these canteens. And then from TISCO, that time the chairman was Mr. Rusi Modi, chairman of TISCO. he also brought his forces into the Gymkhana badminton court. They used to serve dinner, lunch in that area, the badminton court. So under these circumstances, we gave our NSEMs sometime in
This was in your which year, sir?
86, I think, 86. That was the time when these all these join. And there's one behind Gokhale, I think, whatever it's called. Gokhale.
Billu.
Yeah, Billu. That time it used to be some behind Gokhale. There's another
Yes, sir.
giant
Behind Gokhale.
Yeah.
It's behind Gokhale. It's
Yeah.
currently Billu.
Where is Kalyanda nowadays? Kalyanda is in RP, na? Kalyan Chaudhary.
Carlos.
Carlos.
RP.
Kalyan Chaudhary.
Yes,
He has
sir.
been nicknamed, his Kalyan Chaudhary has been nicknamed
Kalyan Chaudhary, na?
Yes, sir.
He was our canteen man.
That's right.
And,
Sir, need to meet him.
really unfortunately,
Carlos, actually some mess extension is going on in RP and RK.
Mhm.
So Carlos has been shut for a few days,
Okay.
but it's
So that he
still
has
there. It's one of the
contact
most
with
popular
the-
canteens. in the
Kalyan
campus.
Chaudhary, yeah? And he has a brother, another.
Yes, sir. He has a brother who's currently working along with him.
That is Carlos, huh?
Yes, sir. It's Carlos right now.
Ah.
He's famous for his cold coffee and
Mm.
cheese parathe.
There's another incident. GC,
Yes,
sports
sir.
GC. So the GC used to be declared on the day of the farewell, right? It's still there now.
No.
We have a closing function.
Yeah,
Yeah.
closing
Yes, sir.
function.
The GC used to be declared. No, we knew who the GC is, who the General Championship is beforehand. But that day, the GC came to the last day, on the day of the farewell, and the tie was Azad, RK, and RP.
There's a tie.
There was a sort of deadlock.
Okay, sir.
The chess was still going on, and we had won two consecutive GCs in 80 and 81. Two consecutive GCs, and we were expecting a third time. The third time, this time it was close between Azad, RK, and I think Patel or RK. And the chess was the deciding match. And then finally, when it was time, we were still wondering who has won it, because the chess was going on when all the awards functions were going on, the normal, valedictory functions, the speeches by director, and all the award-giving ceremonies. But the chess was going on in Gymkhana. Then at about 6:30 or so, it was finally announced that RK has won it by
Right.
1 point. They beat Azad by 1 point.
We have been so close.
That was also one of the bad days for us.
So what was the status of inter-hall rivalry and how competitive were the events at that time, inter-hall events?
Very competitive. Very competitive. Illumination was very competitive. Illumination. And hall day also. Hall day was not competitive, but hall day there used to be very big events. We used to design the gate and the stage till 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, sometimes whole night on the last day.
The big thing which we look forward during holidays, SN girls coming to our hall.
Okay. Yeah, that also happens.
Scenes of his room.
So then how did you guys used to celebrate when your hall wins something, or were there any?
The VP, the usual drum procession.
And so what were the quotes which you used to chant and shout at that time, if you remember a few?
The usual, you know it. I don't know whether it's.
It's fine.
Okay, yeah.